Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to extract data from PDF stored in a storage account and export to text file using the ADF. Coming to my use case, I have a PDF file which is of type invoice, and I want to convert this PDF file into a text file for further analysis. So to implement this task, one of the key requirement is to configure the Azure AI Document Intelligence Service, and we need a web activity in ADF to call this API. Coming to Azure AI Document Intelligence Service, this service utilizes the AI to automatically extract the text, important information, and tables from the documents like PDFs and forms. If this service is not available in your resource group, we need to set up the service first. Let's set up this service first, and then we'll create a package and we'll see how to read the PDF and extract the data to the text file. I already have the service installed in my resource group, but I will explain you how to set up this service. And search for document intelligence. Okay, click on, I already installed, that's why it's showing up here. If you don't have it, click on create, and yep, select the subscription and select the resource group. I'm selecting one of the resource group and region and give some name. Okay, coming to pricing tier. So usually when you are creating this service for first time, you will be getting some free web calls, but I already installed my service. That's the reason it is not showing the free calls. If you are doing it for the first time and you don't have it in the your subscription, uh, you need to select this option, free 500 pages per month and 20 calls per minute. Okay, you have to select this, and yeah, review and create. So it will create this service. Okay, and okay, and once the service is created, this is how it looks. This is the name of the service, endpoint URL. This is needed in our exercise, and we also need the manage keys. And one more important thing is, go to access control and click on add a role, select cognitive service contributor, click next, click on manage identity, click on select members, select in the managed identity, select data factory, select this data factory, click select, review and assign the this role. Sometimes you will be getting the access issue, so to avoid that, better to add the data factory as a role assignment. Okay, I'm going back to home. Okay, back to the PPT. Coming to AI document reader, it offers a variety of predefined models for different use cases, such as analyzing the invoices, receipts, business cards. So based on the type of your PDF data, we can choose one of these predefined models. Okay, let's implement this practically. This is my sample PDF. It is of invoice type. We are going to extract the data from this PDF to a text file. Okay, I copied this PDF to the storage account in source files. I have this file, sample invoice PDF. Okay, let's create a new pipeline. Create a new pipeline. So in order to call the API, we need to use the web activity. So I am selecting the web. We can rename it to call document intelligence. Coming to settings, Here we need some parameters like URL, method, and header. To configure the web activity, we need a few settings like URL, method, and header. First, URL. Go to the document intelligence, endpoint, copy this endpoint, and this is the basically format, URL format. The first part is there's the endpoint of the document intelligence, and the second part is like one of the predefined model as I said in the PDF. So yeah, this is the endpoint. This is the predefined model. I am copying it. I'll be using the invoice since my PDF is of type invoice, so I am selecting the invoice predefined model. This is the endpoint URL and followed by the predefined model. It's a combination of endpoint URL from the document intelligence followed by the predefined model. Okay, this is how the final URL looks. Copy this, go ahead, paste it. Okay, next, method. We need to select the post and the body. uh, the format for the body is something like this: URL source and PDF, URL for the PDF followed by the SAS token. Okay, to get the PDF URL, go to the storage account. Okay, this is my file. Properties, copy this URL. This is okay. Then next we need to get the SAS token. Generate SAS token. Generate SAS token and copy it. Okay, copy this entire URL. Go to ADF. Okay, this will form the body. Authentication, select none. Click on header. We have the standard parameters. Content type, is application/JSON. And next, we need OCP subscription key. To get the subscription key, go to document intelligence, click on manage keys, click here to manage keys. Okay, show keys. I'm selecting the key one and paste it here. Okay, successfully configured the web activity for the first step. Let's debug this and we'll see the results. Succeeded. Let's verify the output. Copying it, I'm going to Notepad. We are successfully able to create the URL that is pointing to the document. Now we use this URL to extract the results from this PDF. For that we will be adding another web activity. Go to ADF again. I'll take another web activity, connect this, you can call it as analyze, get analysis results. Go to settings. In the URL, click on add dynamic content. We'll select the output from the first web activity. Click on this dot. Okay, this is something we needed as an input for the second web activity. So select this ADF web activity response header. Dot in the square brackets, go to URL again. We need the operation location. This is the URL we need. Go to this, within the single quotes, copy this. Okay, click OK. And coming to method, select get. Now we are extracting the data. Okay, authentication method none, and add a header, add a subscription key and copy it from the other one. Okay, and debug the pipeline. Okay, pipeline succeeded, and let's analyze the output from the second web activity. Click on the output, copying it, taking to the notepad. We successfully extracted the data from the PDF, and it is stored in the content. This is the data from the PDF. Okay, now our next step is to export this result set to a text file. So for that, we need to create a variable, set variable, extract, go to settings. I'm creating a new variable, of type string. Click OK, click on the value, click on add dynamic content, and we need to use get analysis results output dot, go to JSON. So from analysis results dot, we will be reading the content, not content. Click OK. Using the first web activity, we are creating the URL to the PDF, and using the second web activity, we are extracting the data from the PDF, and we are storing the result set into the variable. Now to copy the data from variable to a text file, we need a copy activity. Since our source is not a file or a table, we need something to map the data set. For that, I will be using one test file. I explained a scenario to copy the data from a variable to a text file in my previous video. Please watch that video. I have the dummy file with a one column. I will configure to this. ds dummy file. Uncheck the first row as header. Click on browse source, dummy file, import schema none. Click OK, and then we need to create a variable calculated column. So I am adding additional column. Click on additional column, and we call it as file extract. Call it as PDF extract. Extract condition, I will be using the dynamic content and variable. Click OK, and go to sync. I will create a new data set. So I want to export the result to a storage account. File, Source target. Okay, click OK and open the dataset, and we need to give the file name PDF to text dot txt. Okay, I'm giving the file name as PDF to text.txt and go back to pipeline. Click on mapping, import schema. Okay, we need something. We need to provide a test value for validation. I'm giving some test. Click OK. Yeah, we no need of the first column. It's a dummy column. Delete it. And yeah, we are mapping the PDF data extract derived column to a column. Okay, that's it. Validate the pipeline and debug. Yeah, pipeline got succeeded. Okay, let's verify the data. Go to storage account, target, and this is my output file. Click on this, edit. Yeah. Let's compare the data between the PDF and you take the invoice number. It is coming as invoice IN 337 demo. We have the order number and we have the invoice date. So successfully extracted the data from this PDF to a text file. In order to convert this unstructured data to a structured data, we will be using a Python or any other tools. We can successfully parse this text file to a proper structured format. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye. If you have any questions, post your questions in the comments. Thank you.